Right, here we go with the BitTorrent token. So it's looking very sad and poorly to me. We're on an hourly chart, and we're having a huge correction with this coin, a huge correction. But let's put it into perspective. We had a very bullish trend, and it didn't exactly go parabolic, but it wasn't far off, really. I mean, it its momentum was it had to stop at some point, and it did stop here. I personally thought it could have gone a little higher, but we all make mistakes. And unfortunately, I made one of those. So I'm now a little underwater with this coin, and I've got my fingers crossed, but at the same time I have to be realistic when I look at this chart, and the chart isn't looking too great either. What we're doing now is we've broken these supports. We keep breaking support levels, and until we find ourselves moving above this 200 EMA and any of these moving averages, to be honest, which at the moment we're underneath all of them, and they've all turned into resistances. Look, I mean, as we can see, we're bumping through all of them, but this one here, this main one, this 200 EMA, I mean, we're not even coming anywhere near it. And what I imagine is if we do even get close to it or touch it, we'll come straight back down, and it's descending as well, so it's not looking very. The future's not very bright for BitTorrent at the moment. I've got really no idea exactly how far this is likely to go. I personally did feel yesterday that this is the level where we're at now, just around 0012 is what I would consider as a bounce to take place around this area. Now, is it going to break any further? It could fall further than that, to be honest with you. The likelihood of us going beneath 0010 is quite low, and if we were to get to there, that's a decent area for us to start a bounce just above there, to be honest with you, just around that area. That would, I believe, that area would trigger a reversal in the trend, and would start to be bullish again. This coin did very well in a short space of time, and it's likely to do very well again. And to be honest with you, if anyone's, I'm not going to say buy anything, but if there was a coin to pick up at any point soon, this might be one of those coins. I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm not telling you to do it, and don't do it really, because look at it, we're bearish, we're very bearish. And we've fallen quite far, quite quickly, and we've still got some way to go. I'm not going to put any more money into it because I've already got enough in it. But I would expect to bounce around this level here if it were to reach down there, and the chances of it doubling in its price in a small space of time, I would say it's quite likely. Within a few months at least, I would expect to see it get back up here to at least its previous high, and probably a little higher. But at the moment we're suffering. We're going to continue to suffer, trend sideways and probably down in a bearish trend. We've got to break these moving averages first. Once we break these, then we can start to recover. But at the moment it's not looking great. I'll leave it with you there anyway, because there's not a great deal more to say. We've got to see this correction play out before we can really start to map out any more, or even plan on any other moves. Thanks for watching anyway. Take it easy. Goodbye.